How to buy Zestronix token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you want on my channel, please do your own research. Now as you can see, this token is available on the screen here. It created 3 hours ago and increased by 800% in the last 24 hours. This token trending number 2 in the base section. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address and open your Bitget wallet. For that, go to your wallet and select the bases and network. As you can see, now click on this plus icon and paste the token address here. So click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and try to find your token that you just added called Zestronix. So after you find it, what you need to do, click on it. Now here click on swap, switch from here, from the top select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDC, and make sure that you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now that type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see. So if you face this message, that's no way to buy this token via your wallet. So we will use the Uniswap for that. So go and open the Uniswap for that, as you can see. So after that, what you need to do, just go to website, click on it. So after that, wait a few seconds to load this page. Now as you can see, you are able to buy this token here. So what you need to do, connect your wallet first. I will use the Bitget wallet. So after you connect your wallet, what you need to do, if you don't find your token here in the bottom, go back to this token page on the screener. Click here to copy the token address, and remember this token address is under the base network. Now go back, click here. Now don't forget to select the base as a network from here. Now as you can see, paste the token address here. So this is our token. Now click on it. So click here, check it, and continue. As you can see, our token is here. So from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, the Ethereum or USDC, and make sure, of course, that you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now here, type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see. Now after that, click on this little arrow to be able to read that information, and after that, click here on swap, and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Zestronix token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.